just out doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. Alright, your girl's back with some voiceover content for this one. I was on FaceTime with my friend, W Mans. So I had to just record and then add the audio later. But we're trying Stella Rosa pineapple. I love Stella Rosa. Tried a lot of theirs, but still, they have so many. I'm sure if you guys do drink wine or are able to drink wine, it's 21 plus. Okay, yeah. They have so many. So today we tried the pineapple, and in the first day I got red apple too. So we'll try that later on throughout the month. That's with a nice little glass with my food because I was eating good. I don't think I showed you what I ate, but yeah, here it goes. It was pretty nice. It really did have a pineapple sting. I had to figure it out because I put a 7. I was putting an L at first, but and I was like 6 because it was really cool. Hey. Yeah, I just seen the last clip. This is my chill reset day. I need to reset. I've been busy. I made myself a beautiful bowl. I don't know what you want to call it because I got cilantro lime sauce. Then I got the salmon that's like made with mango pepper. That new season I told y'all. Yes, delicious. Then I have some peppers, bell peppers, red onions, corn, basmati rice as the base with quinoa. So we got a lot going on. Very delicious, very fun. And yeah. All right, y'all. I don't know, I'll talk to y'all later. I'm hot, warm. I just want to sit down, watch my YouTube, and then I'm gonna make some tacos for me and my dad. So I'm gonna just eat a little bit of this. This really like my lunch for later. All right, in this next clip, I tried to get y'all another angle. I did overcook the salmon a little bit, but that bit was banging. All right, I did my testing because I can't be wasting my time doing this. It's already been 2 minutes, but it's okay. But hey, y'all, I have a mic now. I know before I tell you I have a mic. Look at the mic. We got the mic. I've been saying I was going to have a mic. And now we have a mic. Hold on. Let me put this right here. Anyway. I like to try this before I go into work. As I seen, you know what I'm saying? I was chilling. The girl was chilling. She was like, I didn't show y'all too much of my chilling because I was on my phone. And I know how to record off my phone. So, yeah. But I was chilling. So, I just moved from the don't make sense. I don't get why my YouTube has 8.4 gigs of old videos. Delete it. I'm not rushing. I don't know. Anyway, because now I'm going to the rest of it and I have to go to work in like 5 minutes and I wanted to walk around and chat. But let's just try it again. It's a bit That's nice. Definitely not as sweet. Definitely could taste something a bit healthier. What else is that? Right? It's really like a 9 out of 10. 8.5 is really good. Or 8.5, 9 out of 10. If you like it, I put you on. Hey y'all! I am back. And we are making some little scratch crazy make because I don't know what I'm really doing. I don't have all the right ingredients, but I got like the basis. I got some almond milk. I know, don't yell yuck. I've done it before. I got almond milk. I got a block of smoked Gouda. This is really the good for this was gonna make it bind together. Got some cream cheese, whipped cream cheese I'm gonna use. And we just gonna, I think it's crossed, pay for the best. I don't really use flour and butter too much, but if it needs it, I guess I'll try to do a little mixture of that. But usually that mixed together, it'd be good, especially with the cream cheese. The cream cheese is the thickener for me, so that should be good enough. Then over here we have a nice piece of tilapia. Oh, can you see it? Nice piece of tilapia. It's a little gray. Why is so? Okay, there's a little better. I'm opening it, but I'm not gonna lie. Every time I open it, it's been like making me cough, and I don't even shake it. Just open it, it makes me go crazy. Let me see. Let me see if I can see it. Okay. Oh, you can see? There you go. Nice piece of tilapia. Bro, that moves so hard. It freaking covers camera. Ain't that crazy? Okay. I need to pause the camera. But yeah. It's just the season here. I'm okay. Hold on. I'm about to pause it. It's only been a minute and 30 and I'm about to pass out. Please. Okay. Let me put the lid back on. I was just trying to show you. That's why I had the lid on. When I open that joint, it's danger. I mixed it with this Cajun fish fry. Really spicy. But really good. But really spicy. When I first did it straight Cajun, I was like, ooh, that is spicy. Like, I was eating it like. But it was so good. And then mango butter, again, just making an appearance. Told you I got it and I've been using it because it's really good. That mango pepper is strong. Something about it. But alright, I'm going to show y'all when we are plating it and hopefully mixing it together and we got the cream going crazy. Or the sauce going crazy. Alright. Ooh, look how pretty that looks. So this is the sauce. Remember, made from 3 plus 1 more ingredient. But 3 main ingredients. Almond milk, cheese, cream cheese. And then I put a little bit of butter in there, like 2 tablespoons of butter. And that's what we got, people. Like, you see it, you see the sauce. All right, and then we got the water boiling, ready. And we are back, about to pour some linguine. Not all of it. Oh. Scrapped. We're back after that long hauling trial. As you know, my stove, it's going to get cleaned. It's just been a messy week. But I like to try to swirl them like this and close the lid on them. Usually it works. Right now it's being difficult. So we'll just come back when the lid is on. Pasta complete. Heat down to a 2. We let it cook on the low. Usually I really do the 1, but it's a little thicker. I do this. If it's about macaroni or any small shells, oh no, I do it down to low, to off, and then I let the vapors cook it. But yeah, since this is a little difficult, we're just going to put it down to between a 2 and a low, because I don't want it to not cook. Okay. Only been days, but it feel like months. Wake up for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.